To install the Rapido app on your Apple device, follow this step. Number 1, open the App Store. Tap the App Store icon on your iPhone or iPad. Number 2, search for Rapido. Tap on the search bar at the bottom of the screen. Type Rapido, bike, taxi, auto and cabs, and tap search. Number 3, download and install. Locate the Rapido app in the search results. Tap the Get button next to the app. If prompted, authenticate the download using your Apple ID, password, Face ID, or Touch ID. Number 4, open the app. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the Rapido app. Number 5, set up your account. Follow on the screen instructions to sign up or log in. Provide the necessary permissions such as location, access to enable full functionality. Important notes: device compatibility. Ensure your device is running iOS 15.0 or later, as this is required for the Rapido app. Regional availability. Rapido primarily operates in India. If you're outside this region, the app's availability and services may be limited. Rapido Captain app. If you're looking to install the Rapido Captain app for drivers, please note that it is currently available only for Android devices. iOS support for the Captain app is not available at this time. By following these steps, you should be able to install and set up Rapido app on your Apple device successfully. That's it. Thank you for watching.